How to unlink Google Photos from the gallery. Now, this process is very easy and just around the corners. If you just follow along the process, then you should be able to do this. You just simply access your Google Photos application, and in here you should be able to see three options: Photos, Collections, and Search. Now, the setting that we are looking for is going to be your profile icon located at the top right portion of your screen. And here, just head directly to Photos Settings, and this is where you can unlink or unsync your Google Photos from your gallery. To turn it off, just simply turn off backup mode, which is going to be on the very first option here. Then just simply turn it off, and it will automatically unlink from your gallery. But if you decided to link it again or sync it back again, then you can just simply have it on. Now take note that if you will be turning it on for a long period of time, then it will load around 3 to 5 minutes depending on the photos that you have from your phone. And that's how you unlink Google Photos from Gallery.